Now, Haas has fabrication equipment. We've added new machines to our ever-expanding product line with welders, press brakes, laser machines, and now saws. If you're looking for precision, high-volume cutting production, Haas has you covered. Introducing the HCS-80. That's right, Haas has cold saws. The HCS-80 is a programmable carbide cold saw with over 3 inches of cut capacity. Let's take a quick look inside. Starting over here on the right, we have a hydraulic clamping system to secure your workpiece, oil misting nozzle, 12-inch diameter blade, and a hydraulically driven chip brush. Down below, we have an auger system to get all the chips from the cut out. And above that, you have a vented exhaust system. Let's go around the back, take a look at the load tables. Here you have 2 heavy-duty load tables. You have arms here that lift the bar up over these rollers and puts it in place. You have your hydraulic clamp that grabs the material and pulls it into the blade. Here you can see this 12-inch diameter, 60-tooth carbide tip blade. Takes mere seconds to cut this C45 tool steel bar stock. So to wrap things up, the HCS-80 is a perfect addition to the ever-expanding line of Haas cutting saws. And don't forget, Haas fabrication equipment is fully supported by your local Haas factory outlet. And as always, thanks for watching.